Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Lovely viewers, today we will see in this video. You will see in this video's modern and stylish pop with bangs haircuts designs. Very attractive and very stylish, unique bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see in this video stylish haircuts ideas, front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts designs, bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish, unique girls bob haircuts designs. Front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and to like this one unique haircuts designs. So take a screenshot and save your mobile. Gorgeous and stylish, unique, beautiful bob with bangs haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Top stunning and stylish, you will see unique haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new attractive girls bob haircuts designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Lovely viewers, I will meet you in next